Here is a rather glorious heritage object. Its story could be told in a very simple way, or very much more interestingly. That's what we call multimedia content, and it can be played on a regular smartphone. It's convenient for the visitor. He's using his own phone, which he knows best. And it's so convenient for the museum. There's no need to maintain special equipment. What's not convenient for the visitor is continually downloading new applications every time he goes to a new museum. Gone is the struggle to learn new interfaces. There's an obvious solution. The visitor should have just one application of his own choice and a simple way to download any museum content into this application. And that is not all. Usually museums only focus on the objects that they keep inside, even though there are plenty of objects in the city around the museum which closely relate to it and its collection. Your museum could create outdoor audio tours which naturally progress into your main exhibition space. And that is a very good way to attract more visitors. Well, now that is possible. Outdoor and indoor, online and offline, the software platform from Easy Travel allows you to do all that and much more. Like all these popular online services, Easy Travel is also absolutely free. It consists of a web-based content management system with an intuitive interface for mastering and publishing audio tours, and handy mobile applications capable of finding and delivering all existing content in your city and all your city museums. Take a look at our next video for more information on how it all works.